everyone, welcome back to T3 Podcast, the podcast where we share stories, tips, and struggle on learning English. I'm your host Elia. Today's episode is titled The Real Struggle of Structure. And believe me, because of part B, structure and written expression. Let me introduce today's guest. We have Sarah, Nuni, Seha, and Shiva. Thank you for joining, guys.
Hi, Judy.
Okay, Seha, what made you to fall so challenging for you?
Well, for me, the problem is missing subject and missing verb. The sentence look normal, but suddenly answer say and the sentence is incorrect because to my verb. I sit and it like home. For example, the first recital made in France in 1865. I keep thinking it was fine, but it needed was made. It's like the test. 1, 2, 3, my stomach.
Ah, yes. Love playing hide and seek with birds. How about you, Sarah?
My biggest problem is inversion. Like when a sentence start with not only and value. The verb suddenly jumps before the subject with like magic grammar. For example, not only does she sing, but she also dance. If I forget inversion, boom, wrong. I feel like TOEFL structure is like English and more grammar than
Grammar justice. What are you? Good job. Siva, how about your struggle?
Mine is definitely para structure. TOEFL wants everything balanced, like eating rice with the same number of temperatures. Example, he ended swimming, jogging, and go to ride a bicycle. To the moment to ride appears, the entire universe collapses. It should be riding, and the option everything looks similar, choosing one feels like ending.
Yes, but kingdom is evil. Emily, try the whole thing.
Honestly, the Bible expression section is a nightmare for me. And then the sentence looks perfect. I confidently choose my error, and then it turns out I'm wrong. The only issues was that in use simple instead of real people. That's when I realized simple isn't just a grammar test, but it's a passion test.
Oh, really? Coba teaches grammar but also emotional resilience. Before we close, let's share one tip each other surviving structure. Sarah?
My tips: identify the subject plus verb first. If you can find them clearly, something wrong.
Okay, good. And
learning clue words. The rector in person really never only after, not until.
For parallel checklist after and or only also. Practice hands-free The more sentence you see, the more patterns your brain recognizes automatically.
Great! Still remember. Simple structure is not impossible. It's just a puzzle that gets easier the more you solve it. And thank you guys for your studying struggle today. Don't forget guys to follow our podcast and join us for next week another video to T3 podcast. Stay confident, keep practicing, and well, see you next